Congratulations, you're the new owner of a Sandalford HS195 digital safe. If it looks familiar, that's not surprising. This style of safe is used in hotels around the world. Inside the box, as well as the safe, you'll find 2 identical emergency keys, 4 AA batteries, and 2 bolts for attaching the safe to the floor or a wall. You'll find the safe isn't locked, so open the door and load the batteries into the battery compartment. Keep the door open and press clear twice. The display will read PROG, as in program. Enter your new 6-digit master code, followed by the lock key. The display will read good, which means you've changed the master code successfully. To ensure that your custom program code works, it's best to test your keypad code with the door open prior to closing and locking the safe. And remember, if all else fails, you can use your emergency keys to open the safe as well. Remove the emergency key cover with the Allen key provided. Insert the key and turn. The display will read Opened. The door is now open. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the back cover to reveal the locking bolts. Find the small black reset button with CLR written next to it at the top of the chipboard to the left of the cords. Press the button and it should read Reset. The master code is now reset to 000000. To reset your own master code, simply repeat the earlier setup instructions. You can also program the time and date on your digital safe. Keeping the door open, press clear twice and then input 055261. Press lock and date should appear on the screen. The first thing you'll do is set the date. If it's February the 10th, 2016, you would input the following: 16/02/10 and press lock. 16 is for the year, 02 for the month, and 10 for the day of the month. Now we set the time. Using a 24-hour clock, 4:01 p.m, you would input 16/01/00 and press lock. Good should appear on the screen. 16 is for the hour, 4 p.m. 01 is for the minutes and 00 for the seconds. Because these safes are used largely in hotels and motels, guests need to be able to use their own code for opening the safe. This is a simple process. With the door open, they place their valuables in the safe and enter a 3 to 6-digit code, followed by the lock key. The display will say Closed. To open, they simply input their code and the door unlocks. The master code is for management only and shouldn't be shared with anyone else. When a guest forgets their number, you simply press lock twice and the display will read Super. Input the master code and the safe will open. Your emergency keys are only to be used if the batteries go flat, preventing access, or you forget the master and user code. They shouldn't be used for everyday access and should not be stored in the safe. They should also be kept separately in case one of them's misplaced. The HS195 can be attached to the floor or a wall with the masonry bolts provided. It can also be attached to a timber surface, but you'll need to buy coach screws to do so. The safe must be installed in an upright position so it opens like a microwave. You can clean your safe with a damp cloth, but not liquid or sprays. The HS195, another quality product from Sandalford's Safe Range.